In this tutorial, we will learn how to draw ground beams in ALTECAD CONCRETE. There are two methods available. The first method is ground beam axis. It draws ground beams automatically between aligned columns. Select the columns you want to connect, and the ground beams are drawn automatically with their dimensions. You can change the beam dimensions at any time, and all annotations update automatically. You will need the dimensions to calculate the quantities. We will cover this in a future video, don't worry. You can change the dimensions at any time. And with just one click, you will get the quantities in a few seconds. All elements are fully editable after creation. The second method is ground beam simple. It draws individual ground beams by clicking 2 points. With ALTECAD CONCRETE, designing foundations is fast, accurate, and fully automatic. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this tutorial with your colleagues.